In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your Outlook calendar with Asana for better task management and scheduling. This process will streamline your planning and ensure your tasks and meetings are always perfectly coordinated, saving you time and keeping you on top of your responsibilities. To start, head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you're already a member, you can simply click Login. Enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Don't worry if you're new to Asana, it's quite simple to get started. Just click Get Started or Try for free and follow the prompts to create your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific project or task you're interested in linking with Outlook. Next, look up to the top right corner of your selected project. There's a small drop down arrow or an export or print option available there. Clicking this will provide you with various options on how you can work with your project data. Go ahead and choose Microsoft Outlook from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to establish a connection between your Asana and your Outlook calendar. This might take a moment, so be patient while the link is made. Once connected, you can take advantage of Asana's calendar view feature. This view allows you to manage your tasks more visually based on their due dates. It's a fantastic way to get a clearer picture of your schedule and prioritize tasks accordingly. After the integration is complete, you'll notice that any changes you make in Asana, such as updates to due dates, titles, or comments, will automatically reflect in your Outlook calendar. This means that both platforms are kept up to date without needing any extra effort on your part. Likewise, any events from Outlook can be viewed and tracked within Asana, creating a seamless flow between your task management and scheduling tools. A helpful tip to keep in mind is to use Asana primarily for task delegation and progress tracking. It's an excellent tool for assigning tasks to team members and monitoring the completion status. Meanwhile, Outlook shines when scheduling meetings, which you can then sync with relevant Asana projects. This dual use leverages the strengths of both platforms to give you a comprehensive approach to task and schedule management. And that's it. By integrating these two powerful tools, you can simplify your workflow, keeping both your tasks and appointments in perfect harmony. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.